Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be restoring the AHM Rock Island engine. So, okay, I'm just going to go in with the screwdriver now. Try and pry off the shell. Definitely not coming off easy. There. I'm just gonna get this off camera. After fiddling with the shell a bit, we've got this off. This frame for some reason seems a bit dirty, so I think before even going into the trucks, I might try and clean the frame off. It's just got some weird stuff on it. Dust and such you might want to get out of here. Some of it on the truck covers I'll clean off too. This engine actually runs pretty okay. It's just a bit noisy. Yeah. I think I should clean off the commutator here while we're at it. Commutator seems pretty good for now. So now with that out of the way, we can go into taking these trucks off. I think I'm just gonna go at it from this side under here. Last time I tried with that, I had a lot of issues just trying to pry them off. Looks like these only have one contact. That's kind of interesting, so let's just get straight into cleaning this. It looks pretty greasy and oiling inside of here. I get the trucks all the way apart, but I've had issues doing that in the past. I, like just a couple minutes ago, restored the Tyco Clementine, as you can see in the last video. If you haven't seen it, I'll just put a card in the corner. I haven't been running trains much lately because I've had things to review. I've been making more interesting videos and working on more things. So I plan for maybe 1 or 2 more review things, some running train videos, and then I've ordered something else. Now that that truck seems pretty good, I'll give it some fresh oil here. There. Bit of oil for that truck. I'm gonna reassemble it now. This engine technically only has 4-wheel pickup. Put the axles in the wrong way. That one's got some fresh oil. It's loaded up. Put the coupler on now. These can sometimes be a little bit tricky to get on. So that truck's clean. Now let's go into the other truck. This one actually seems slightly more dry, so it's not as dirty. Except for some of the weird stuff on the truck. I think I'll clean off. I'm gonna clean off that contact a little bit. This truck, compared to the other one, seems to be pretty clean. There's still grease and such in here, but not a whole lot. So I can just quickly give that one some oil as well. And reassemble it. These are really simple engines to repair. I'd recommend, if you want to start getting into trains, maybe get one of these. They're pretty simple to repair. They're really reliable, and I've had some for a long while, including my Union Pacific one, which has been a big star of things on the channel, and it runs really well. Let's put the shell on. Ironically, taking the shell off took as long as actually restoring the whole thing. Okay, so let's get it onto the track and give it a test. Okay, so I've got the engine all set up on the test track. Let's see how it moves now. It's derailed a little. Seems to run pretty well. It's starting to actually get better as all the oil works its way in. So it looks like we here have a pretty good runner. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see another video with some 2F units double heading, click on the screen about now.